Ladies and gentlemen, as president of ASNE, I have a lot of privileges. Several of them are blessings, and a couple of them are chores. But this morning, I get to share with you two of the privileges that I have. One of them is carrying the flag. And so right now, what I want you to do is look at me as an annoyance on your computer when you go to do a streaming video and that ad pops up. And you sit there drumming your fingers, waiting patiently for a skip ad button to come. Well, there's no skip ad button in this. And I just wanted to take this opportunity to say to you that I think that this conference has been really successful. The aim of the conference is to bring industry and the government and academia together to talk about problems and issues. I talked about that a little bit yesterday. None of this will happen if ASNE doesn't continue to function in the way we functioned in the past. And so the ad is this: all of you who are out there wearing yellow badges, what I'd like for you to do is to consider the value add that comes when you contribute a membership fee and become a member of ASNE. It's not so much what can you do for me at this minute. What it really is what we can do together over the long run to ensure that naval engineering continues to function like it has been. So I just ask for you to consider that. We have tremendous support from this community here at NAVSES, and I'd like for you to be a part of it. So now the skip ad button comes up. Now for the real privilege. The real privilege I have as president of ASNE is to do one of the most important things that we do, and that's to recognize people who have contributed both to ASNE, but more importantly to the larger naval engineering community. The first one I would like, and I have two of those this morning, and so I'd like to invite Don up here. Don and his committee have done a tremendous job in putting this conference together, and a lot of work. And so I'd just like to take a few seconds and recognize him with a personal coin from ASNE, the President's coin. So thank you very much, Don. Thank you. Now, the real privilege. John Ykema, I'd like for you to join me up here on the podium, please. John, I guess you noticed we have a few visitors here that weren't here from the beginning, and I want to chastise you for missing all the technical favors. But we certainly are pleased that you could join us here for this special event. The American Society of Naval Engineers takes great pleasure in presenting the President's Special Award of Distinction to Mr. John Ykema for his significant contribution to naval engineering in the field of electrical engineering as set forth in the following citation. Through more than 60 years of exceptional technical achievement, Mr. John Ykema has become an icon, a mentor, and a profound influence in the field of electrical power distribution for the U.S. Navy. From his early experience at NAVSEA, supporting aircraft carriers, cruisers, and destroyers, to his current efforts to develop advanced technologies to fulfill requirements for future shipboard power distribution, Mr. John Ykema has proven to be an innovative designer and engineer and an inspiration to generations of electrical engineers. Throughout a long career rising from electrical engineer at ITE Imperial to his current position as Vice President and Chief Technology Officer of L3 SPD Electrical Systems, Mr. Ykema has been a constant source of technical innovation and a persistent driver of reliability, survivability, and and safety for Navy power distribution equipment. At the same time, he has maintained a consistent commitment to developing, training, and mentoring scores of electrical engineers and technicians in both government and industry. And I'll add parenthetically that he's done it all with a smile all the time. Mr. Ykema's influence is reflected throughout the fleet today in the quality and capability of present-day electrical distribution systems, and his recent efforts are helping to pave the way for the next generation of integrated power systems. Moreover, his legacy will persist for many years through the knowledge he has conveyed in numerous technical publications, presentations, and training sessions, and the countless members of the electrical engineering and industrial community he has developed and influenced. For his lifelong technical excellence and his enduring commitment to achievement of his profession, Mr. John Ykema is truly deserving of special recognition by the American Society of Naval Engineers and our community. Thank you, John. What I'm going to do is I have a couple of things for him. We're going to do photographs later when it's more convenient, okay? And but I want you to see what I just read is on a special plaque that we're giving to John. We have a little surprise gift in here, along with a lapel pin for ASNE that you can wear. So this is for you also, friend. Thank you. And finally, for his I Love Me room, wherever that may be, we would like to present this special. This is the Special Recognition Award, the President's Special Recognition Award. Very heavy. John, this is a surprise for John. Okay, so he hasn't had a chance to prepare remarks. So I'm going to ask you, would you like to say a few words?
I can say a few words. That's not a surprise to anybody.
This certainly is a great surprise, and I don't feel worthy of it. I have enjoyed my career very much in developing products that hopefully will make a better ship, better places for our fighting sailors to be, so that they have the best in the world to fight for us, for our defense, and for our safety. So I thank ASNE very much. I made my first paper with ASNE in, I think it was 1988, when ASNE was 100 years old, and the company I was working with at that time, part of ITE, was also founded in 1888, the same time ASNE was founded. That was my first presentation, and I've been privileged to have given many more. So I thank all of you for being here. Thank the Navy community for the support I've had in all these years. It's been great things to work for. Thank my family. Some of them are here today. I didn't know they were going to be here. Thank them for the support they've given me. And thank the good Lord for the work that we are able to do. So thank you very much.